Welcome to WareTech solution. Let's see how to manually download and install Windows updates. If you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11 operating system, you might know that is automatically check for the updates and install them on active hours. So in most cases, you don't need to make any changes to the Windows update setting to receive the latest updates. However, Microsoft Windows operating system is not entirely bug-free. As a result, users often face problems while downloading or installing specific updates on the systems. Even if the update appears on the Windows Update page, it does not download and shows error. So if you are also unable to download Windows 10 or Windows 11 updates on your system, you might find this video very helpful. In this video, we will share a step-by-step guide on downloading and installing Windows 10 and 11 updates manually. Steps to manually download and install Windows Update. To download the updates, we will use Microsoft Catalog, which provides a list of updates distributed over a corporate network. So let's check out. First of all, open your favorite web browser and head to the Microsoft Update Catalog website. This link is available on description. On the main page, you need to enter KB knowledge base number. Then you can even search for updated title, description, clarification, and more. Once entered, click on the search button. Now Microsoft Catalog will show you a list of all available downloads based on what you searched. If you want to gather more information about the specific update, click on its title. Now you will see the all relevant information about the update. For testing purpose, I am taking the minimum storage updation file. To download the update, click on the download button. In this page, right click on the link and select Save as an option. Choose your desired directory and click on Save button. For security purpose, it will ask confirmation. I click on Keep and it's downloaded. That's it. You are done. This is how you can manually download Windows 11 updates from Microsoft Catalog. How to install the updates? After downloading the update package, you need to double click on the installer file. This will open the Windows Update standalone installer. Now wait for a few seconds or minutes until the standalone installer prepares the system for the installation. On the confirmation prompt, click on the Yes button to start the installation process. That's it. You are done. This is how you can install the Windows 10 and Windows 11 updates manually. So this video is all about how to download and install Windows 10 and 11 updates manually. I hope this helped you. Please share it with your friends also. If you have any doubts related to this, let us know in the comment box below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.